Morning in a Vietnamese village always brings a sense of calm. Life here is not as fast-paced as in the city, but it's far from easy. Hoa is only 15, but she has been accustomed to this hard life from a young age. She and her family work on the fields to support themselves and help her parents. Her hands are calloused, yet she never complains. In the countryside, meals may be simple, but they are always full of love. For Hoa, this is the most precious time of the day when she can sit with her family. Tasks like herding cattle and watering vegetables seem endless in rural life. But Hoa never feels tired because she knows each drop of sweat today is a step toward a brighter future. Even after a long day of hard work, Hoa always finds time to study. She dreams of excelling in her studies, hoping one day to break free from the poverty and support her family. Each day for Hoa is a journey filled with challenges, but she always holds on to her optimism and belief in a better future. Life in the village may be tough, but the love of her family and her dreams for a brighter tomorrow keep her going. Life in the countryside is not only about hardship, but also a story of patience, love, and hope for a brighter tomorrow.